Good morning, dear students. First, I would like to congratulate to all of the students. You are promoted in class 2nd and I am your new class teacher. Before starting this AV lecture, let us take the pledge. I am Ravinder Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Dear students, now take your computer book, that is IT Hub. Open your chapter number first, that is about computer and electronic device. Here in this chapter we will learn about computer, the different things that can computer do and what it cannot do, and how the computers are different from us. A computer is a very useful machine. It is used everywhere. It makes our life easier. It works fast and saves our time. A computer is a electronic device. Why it is a electronic device? So why we called it a electronic device? Because it is made up of electronic components and it used electricity. ठीक है? Functions of a computer. What the different functions computer can perform? A computer can also be used for the following activities: typing letters or stories, listening to music, playing games, solving sums, drawing pictures, watching movies and cartoons. In this way, we can perform different type of activities using computers. What these activities are? Typing letters, listening to music, games, solving sums, drawing pictures, watching movies and cartoons. Come to the next page. Working of a computer. कंप्यूटर काम कैसे करता है? ठीक है, वर्किंग ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. हाउ डज पापा टोस्ट ब्रेड? ही पुट्स अ स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड इन अ टोस्टर and switches it on. After a minute or so, the toast pops up. तो पापा, दिस इज़ अ एग्जाम्पल कि पापा ब्रेड टोस्ट कैसे करते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो क्या करते हैं, एक स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड लेते हैं, तो उसको टोस्टर में डालते हैं एंड उसे स्विच ऑन करते हैं. ठीक है, आफ्टर अ मिनट, 1 मिनट के बाद द टोस्ट पॉप्स अप. ठीक है, here is the example with picture. In this example, the bread is the input. So here the bread is act as a input. What happens to the bread inside the toaster is a process. So this is a process, toasting of bread, कि bread को toast कैसे करना है. ठीक है, so this task will take 3 steps and these steps are input, process and output. The same 3 steps are followed when you make mango shake. So these 3 steps are repeated again when you make a mango shake. You put mango pulp, sugar and milk as input to a mixer. So now the inputs are mango pulp, sugar and milk for making a mango shake. The mixer mixes the pulp, sugar and milk. What the mixer will do? Mixer will mix the pulp, sugar and milk. So this is the process. The mango shake that you get is the output. So what the output is here? The mango shake. Here is an example of making mango shake, shows with the pictures. Input, what is the input? Mango pulp, sugar and milk. It passed out to mixer, process mixing. Then what will we get? What will we get? Output, that is mango shake. All machines take input, process it and give output. So all the machines are based on these three steps: taking input, processing it and giving output. These three steps from the input, process, output. I means input, P means process, O means output. So input, process, output cycle in a computer. Like other machines, a computer also follows the input, process, output cycle. So like other machines, computer also follows the same process, that is input, process, output cycle. What is the input? Input is the data and instructions you give to a computer. What is the input? Input is the data, instructions that you give to a computer. The data can be in the form of numbers, words and in the form of pictures. Instructions, what are the instructions? Instructions are the commands to do a task. Instructions are the commands that given to a computer to perform a particular task. You use a keyboard or mouse to input data. What we use to input? Keyboard or mouse. Process. Next is the process. Process is what a computer does to the data. So what a computer does to the data is process. A CPU is used to process the data. The component of a computer is called CPU. Central processing unit is used to process the data. Output, the result you get after processing it is called output. The monitor shows the output. Who shows the output? Which component shows the output? The monitor shows the output. The result you get, जो भी रिजल्ट होता है आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग, ठीक है, प्रोसेस होने के बाद। इन एग्जांपल्स में देखिए, जो प्रीवियस एग्जांपल्स हैं, ये टोस्टर एंड मिक्सर, ठीक है। व्हाट वी गेट हियर? आउटपुट इज toasting bread and here the output is mango shake. So the output that you see on a monitor is called a soft copy. The output when printed on paper is called a hard copy. जब जो आउटपुट होती है, जो मॉनिटर पे हम देखते हैं, वो क्या होती है? एक सॉफ्ट फॉर्म में होती है, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहते हैं, ठीक है। लेकिन व्हेन वी टेक अ प्रिंट आउट ऑन पेपर ऑफ दैट आउटपुट, देन इट इज कॉल्ड अ हार्ड कॉपी। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज। लेट्स रिव्यू, ठीक है। अब हम इनको एक बार रिव्यू करते हैं। राइट इनपुट, प्रोसेस एंड आउटपुट इन द करेक्ट बॉक्सेस। सो यहाँ पे हमें 3 दिए गए हैं, ठीक है। मिल्क एंड केक, दीज आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड दिस इज द डिलीशियस केक पिक्चर। बेकिंग अ केक इन द ओवन। सो व्हाट इज कॉल्ड इनपुट, प्रोसेस एंड आउटपुट? वी विल राइट हियर, ठीक है। तो मिल्क एंड केक इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या है? हमारी इनपुट हैं। तो व्हाट वी विल राइट हियर? इनपुट। डिलीशियस केक इज द आउटपुट and baking a cake in the oven is the process. So what we will write here, this is the process, we will write here it is a process. Okay beta, rest of the chapter we will read in the next assignment. Okay students, now come to the written assignment. Assignment number 1, chapter number 1, computer and electronic device. Tick the correct answers. Question number 1, which of the following task cannot be done by a computer? इसमें से कौन सा टास्क है जो बाय कंप्यूटर नहीं हो सकता? ऑप्शन ए इज सोल्व सम्स, बी इज प्लान फॉर अ पिकनिक, सी इज प्ले गेम्स. सो व्हाट द कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट बी डन? प्लान फॉर अ पिकनिक. So the computer cannot be planned for a picnic because they cannot think. Second is which of the following is true? इनमें से कौन सा true है? Humans can get hurt. Humans cannot forget things. Humans cannot get tired. Humans hurt हो जाता है जल्दी, ठीक है. Humans चीज़ों को जल्दी भूल जाते हैं. ह्यूमन्स कैन नॉट गेट टायर्ड, वो कभी भी टायर्ड फील नहीं करते. तो ये तो रॉन्ग है. ह्यूमन्स टायर्ड फील करते हैं, ठीक है. तो ह्यूमन्स कैन नॉट फॉरगेट थिंग्स, क्या वो चीज़ों को भूलते नहीं, कभी भूल जाते हैं, ठीक है. तो ए ऑप्शन जो है वो करेक्ट है, ह्यूमन्स कैन गेट हर्ट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन हार्म डाटा स्टोर्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर? इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ है जो डेटा को हार्म करती है, जो डेटा को नुकसान पहुंचाती है? विच इज़ स्टोर्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर. सो ऑप्शन ए इज़ स्पीड, नो. बी इज़ एक्यूरेसी, नो. सी इज़ द वायरस, दिस इज़ द करेक्ट, ठीक है. वायरस कैन हार्म द डाटा. The result you get after processing is called, the output you get after processing is called, what it is called? Accuracy, output or input? It is called output. Fill in the blanks. First fill up is the computer dash make mistakes. Computer can mistakes or cannot make mistakes? Computer cannot make mistakes. कंप्यूटर जो है वो कभी भी गलती नहीं करता. Humans can do dash things at a time. Humans can perform only one task at a time. So here what we will fill here? One. Humans can do one things at a time. Third is a computer works dash than humans. Options are faster or slower. कंप्यूटर वर्क्स फास्टर बिकॉज कंप्यूटर जो है वो कैसे वर्क करता है? ऑलवेज फास्ट वर्क करता है. ए कंप्यूटर डैश एवरीथिंग. ऑप्शंस आर फॉरगेट्स, रिमेंबर्स. कंप्यूटर में हम बहुत सा डाटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं एंड दे नेवर फॉरगेट थिंग्स, ठीक है. सो दे ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. ए कंप्यूटर रिमेंबर्स एवरीथिंग. सो व्हाट वी विल फिल हियर? रिमेंबर्स. So this is your written assignment. Okay students, so this work you will complete on your book page number 13 and 14. Thank you.